Hey Lane's Barbecue family, Dan here. Today is all about Boston butt, pork shoulder. So what we've got here, guys, is a 3.5 kilo pork shoulder. We just trimmed it up slightly. Didn't have much to trim on it, but we're going to rub it with some magic dust, get it on the pit, and we're going to pull it a little bit later on. Stay tuned. So today we're using our famous magic dust. Now this pork shoulder won't take it all that long to cook, but the flavour of this is going to really make this something magic. So we'll give it a quick rub and then throw it on the pit. Alright guys, so the pork shoulder's just been wrapped with a little bit of butter, and what we're going to do is throw it back on the pit. Now as soon as it's back on the pit and cooked, we're actually going to then rest it in an esky. So we'll skip to that part of the video because wrapping is a little bit boring. So what you want to do is just want to wrap it, add in a little bit of butter, and yeah, cook it until it's super tender. Alright, we've been resting for a little while now in the esky, so we're going to take this out and get it to the chopping board. Alright guys, this pork shoulder's just come out of the rest. We're going to pull it now with our kind of sweet sauce and then finish it off with a little bit of magic dust. So that's it guys, you got brisket, you got pulled pork, using both our rubs and sauces. If you want to learn how to do this, you can actually find all the recipe and details on the how-to guide online, but the link will be provided down below. Brisket and pulled pork videos will be separate. I'd like to thank you for tuning in, and please follow us on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram.